Good morning, students. Welcome to our online class. This is Teacher Shai, and welcome again to our online class. All right, so today we will be talking about exciting sports. Exciting sports. Okay, so when you hear the word sports, what do you mean by sports? Like basketball, badminton, volleyball. So we will talk about not those sports, but some exciting, like, oh, very, very nice, exciting. Okay, so before we start, please type your English name, number, and class in our comment section. English name, number, and class in our comment section. Okay, so today we will review some sports. We will talk about sports, and then you will compare. So we will talk about some exciting sports, and then you need to transform adjectives into its comparative form, and then compare the sports using comparative adjectives. All right, so now let's go to, we will start with new words, and then adjectives, and then comparative adjectives, sentences, activity. All right, so are you ready, everyone? Ding, ding, ding. Yes. Okay, so new vocabularies. We have the first one. Everybody say canoeing. Canoeing. K-an-o-ing. Canoeing. Okay, canoeing. Like this one. This is a canoe. This is a canoe. When you ride this one, then you are canoeing. Okay. All right. Next one. Surfing. 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 Okay, surfing. I think in Wahin, me surfing, Shimai, at the beach. Okay. Again, everybody say surfing. Surfing. Okay, surfing in the water. Okay, next one, biking. Biking. Okay, biking, just like this one, biking in a flat surface. Okay, biking on the road, on the highway, that is biking. B-ike-ing. Biking. Oh, b-ike-ing. Biking. Biking. Good job. Next one, skating. 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 All right, so we have this one. We have many types of skating. We have ice skating. Ice skating. This one, rollerblades skating. What else? Yeah, skating. Okay, so for today, we will use this one, this picture as skating. Okay, skating. Okay, next one, mountain biking. Mountain biking. Mountain biking. All right, so from the term itself, mountain, mountains, mountains. And then we have bike. Mountain biking. Mountain biking. Okay, easy, Shimai. Okay, next one, rock climbing. Rock climbing. Silent B. Rock climbing. Rock climbing. Okay, from the look itself. Rock, Shimai, rock, and then climb. Climb. Rock climbing. Okay. Next one, rafting. Okay, rafting, just like this one. Oh, very extreme. Shimai, like In the river. In the river, you paddle. It is paddle. Very fast. Okay. All right. So again, again, everybody, let's say it together. Canoeing. Canoeing. Okay. Surfing. Surfing. Next. Biking. Biking. Skating. Skating. Like this one, skating. Skating. Or skating. Next one. Mountain biking. Mountain biking. Next, rock climbing. Rock climbing. Next, rafting. Rafting. Okay, good job. Now let's go to our adjectives. Now we have 6 adjectives for today. We have safe, dangerous, easy, difficult, exciting, boring. Okay, again, we have safe, dangerous, easy, difficult, exciting, and boring. Now, what do you mean by these words? Okay, so what do you mean? Teachers, I don't know what it means in Thai, so we will translate the words in Thai. Okay, using Google Translate. All right, so let's look at the first one. Oh, so this is what we're going to do next. Comparative adjectives. So what are comparative adjectives?
คำคุณศัพท์เปรียบเทียบ
Is that correct? I think it's correct. Okay, so the first word is safe. Let's try safe. What do you mean by safe? What is safe? Safe. Safe. This one. This one. What do you mean by safe?
ปลอดภัย
Again.
ปลอดภัย
Okay. Next one. Dangerous. Let's try dangerous. 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 Oh, this one. Oops. What happened? No. Okay.
วิกฤต วิกฤต
Recreate. Oh no. No. Again. Dangerous. Dangerous. Ha.
อันตราย อันตราย
Okay. Next one. Easy. Easy.
ง่าย
ง่าย. Okay. Next one. Difficult. This one.
ยาก ยาก
Okay. Next. Exciting. Exciting. I think this one is exciting. No, exciting. Oh no. Exciting. Nothing.
น่าตื่นเต้น
Nothing. Really? Is that correct? Okay. And last one is boring. Boring. Is this correct?
น่าเบื่อ
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 Okay, so those are our adjectives for today. Again, everybody, let's say it together. Safe, safe, dangerous, dangerous, easy, easy, difficult, difficult, exciting, exciting, boring, boring. Okay, now if you still don't know what is the meaning of these words, you can search it on your dictionary. Okay, you can search it in your dictionary or on Google. All right, so how do we transform these words into its comparative form? Comparative form. So what is comparative form? Comparative adjectives. Okay, what do you mean by comparative adjectives? Okay, comparative adjectives. Okay.
คำคุณศัพท์เปรียบเทียบ คำคุณศัพท์เปรียบเทียบ
Is it correct? Okay, so these adjectives, we use comparative adjectives to compare. To compare, what do you mean by compare? Okay, compare. Compare.
เปรียบเทียบ
Excuse me. Compare two objects. Okay, two objects. Okay, so we have some adjectives here. Okay, so we have some rules. Okay, rules. How do we transform adjectives into its comparative form? Now we have the first one. Okay, example. We have the word safe. Safe. Now, safe is under the adjectives with one syllable. What is syllable? Okay, so for example, we say safe. We have flower. Syllables, okay, of the word. For example, we have eat. That's eat. มันใช่ eat ใช่ไหม eat. So that's one syllable. We have what else? Morning. Okay, we have two syllables. Beautiful. Okay, syllables of the words. Okay, so safe is one syllable word. Safe, only one, that ends with e. Then we are just going to add r to make it comparative. Okay, so we just add r to make it comparative. Now we have safer. Okay, so teacher Shai wrote it red, but this is black. Okay, just add r. This one is the correct one. Add only r to make it to transform it into its comparative form. Now let's go to the second rule. Okay, this is the first rule. Now let's go to the second rule. R-U-L-E. Okay, so for example, we have easy. Okay, easy is under the rule adjectives with two syllables. Shimai, we say easy. E cap Z. Easy. Okay, so easy. Adjectives with two syllables that ends with Y. Syllables that ends with Y. Okay, we need to change the Y into I, and then we add ER. We need to change the Y into I, and then add ER. So we have now easier. Okay, two syllables that ends with the letter Y. Okay, two syllables that ends with the letter Y, change Y into I, and then add ER, just like the word happy. Okay, happy is an adjective as well. Happy. Now we erase. Oh no. We erase Y, and then we change it into I, and then we add ER. Now we have happier. Okay, just like this one. We have easier. Okay, because happy is 2 syllables as well. Happy, happy. Okay. Okay, difficult, just okay. So this is rule number 1 and then rule number 2. Now let's go to our third rule. Now, third rule talks about the adjectives with 2 or more syllables. We use more. Okay, more before the adjective. So we have dangerous, dangerous, dangerous. Okay. Next, difficult. How many is that? 1, 2, 3. Difficult, 3. So it's a yes. Exciting, exciting, exciting. Oh, exciting, exciting. 1, 2, 3. Exciting. And then boring, boring, boring. Boring is 2, but it cannot be here because it doesn't end with letter Y. So it is here in the rule number 3. So what do we do with this type of adjectives? We just add more, 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 more. You gotta say more, 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 and more, and more. Okay? Okay, so if you did not understand this one, you can search it on Google or you can ask Teacher Mook. You can also watch Teacher Mook and Teacher Plum's class, okay? Because they also explain these words in Thai. All right, so let's go to our sentences. Now, how do we use the comparative adjectives into a sentence? Now, for example, we have these pictures. I said earlier, Shimai, we use comparative adjectives to compare two objects. Two objects. Now we have here 1, 2 sports. Now, what is this sport? It's biking and rafting. Biking, rafting, biking, rafting. And we have our adjective safe. Biking, rafter, cup, safe. Now our sentence for today is, oops, sorry. Okay, so our adjective for our sentence for today is, I think blank is blank than rafting. Blank is blank than rafting. Now the first blank, I talked about this sport. In the third blank, I talked about this sport. And on the second blank, I talk about the adjective. I wrote the adjective, the comparative form of the adjective. Okay, so which means this sentence means I think, I think biking is safer than, okay, than is an important word in comparing. Okay, so we compare the two, so it's like than, okay, than rafting. Okay, so biking is safer than rafting. So biking is safer than rafting. Just like in math, Shumai, math, like number 10 is greater than Shimaika. Oh no. Okay, so Chai. Okay, so number 10 is greater than 1, like that. Is this greater than? Only greater than. Greater than. Oh, it's less than. Teacher Shai forgot. Okay, but this is like the concept of it. Okay, so for example, again, I think biking is safer than rafting. Okay, so I would rather choose biking because it's safer than rafting. Okay. Okay. All right. Another example, we could use biking again and then rafting, but this time we have dangerous. 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 Now with our sentence, I think blank is blank than blank. So I think rafting is more dangerous than biking. Okay. So more dangerous, chai. Okay, so dangerous, I think like this as well. So this is more dangerous and this is safer. Dangerous, safer. More dangerous, safer. Okay. All right, so this is how we construct a comparative sentence. Okay, don't forget the than. Than is an important word in comparing two objects. Okay, it means compare. Okay, rather than. Okay, all right, so as for our activity today, it is very easy. I will help you answer it. Now, again, we have the sports. We have 1, 2 sports, and we have the adjectives here. Now, what you're going to do is write a sentence like our example. Okay, example. So how do we write this? We have number 1. Okay, Teacher Shai will answer number 1. We have mountain biking, and skating. And then difficult. So what is the first word in our sentence? Sorry, I will erase the one. Erase pen. Let's change the color into black. Okay, so I think, Shimaika, I think no comma with comma is okay. I think difficult. Mountain biking. Mountain biking. Mountain biking is more difficult. Okay. Is more difficult than or difficult than what's this? Skating. Okay. Did you got it? Okay. Teacher Shai will add the sentence below now. Please wait a moment. Okay, so here is our sentence. I think blank is blank than blank. All right, so here is sport number 1. Sport number 1. Here is the adjective, and then sport number 2. Okay? Okay? Okay, or you can salap na. You can salap. This is sport number 2 and then sport number 1. Up to you, alagaday. Okay, Maika? All right, so if you did not understand our homework today, or if there are questions in our lesson, please chat Teacher Shai in line group or below the comments, or in the comments, or in Messenger. Okay, so thank you so much for watching our lesson today. I hope you understand, and I will see you again next time.